Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Learning and Interaction with Ms Aisha Qadir. Set the difference between champion and second place. Please like, subscribe and click this bell icon for latest update regarding biology lectures. So today we are going to start with the rest of the MCQs of topic 1 of O-level biology, cell structure and organization. So let's start working on it. We have done with the starting 10 MCQs. Today we will start with MCQs number 11. So the diagram shows a plant cell. So what is this? This is the plant cell. Compared with the rest of the cells, when we are discussing about plant cell, so this is the structure of plant cell, which will describe the concentration of oxygen and magnesium inside structure P during the daytime. Okay, when we are observing this, so this is the plant cell and it has like cell wall. This is the cell wall. Now second layer, cell membrane. This is vacuole and this is nucleus, and this is structure P as they label the structure P. What is the structure P? Structure P is the chloroplast. And what is chloroplast? Chloroplast is the vacuole filled with chlorophyll, the green pigment which is responsible to trap sunlight for the process of photosynthesis. So when we are comparing this cell, so about structure P, what is the right option? Oxygen, high, 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 low, low, high, low, low. Okay. When we are discussing about chloroplast, so the function of chloroplast is to trap sunlight. As I told you, chloroplast contain chlorophyll, and the function of chlorophyll is to trap sunlight. Okay, now recall the process of photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, what will happen when we are discussing about photosynthesis? So what will happen during photosynthesis? Oxygen release out of the cell. Oxygen release out of the cell. So the concentration of oxygen will be low inside the cell. Concentration of oxygen will be low inside the cell. So option number A and B we can cancel out, because oxygen could not be high in concentration in this structure, because during photosynthesis oxygen release as byproduct. Okay, now discuss about magnesium. What is magnesium? Magnesium is the mineral. Magnesium is the mineral. Mg is the symbol for magnesium. Magnesium is a mineral ion. And what is the function of magnesium? The function of magnesium is to produce chlorophyll. So for the production of chlorophyll, the concentration of magnesium should be high in this chloroplast. While the concentration of oxygen is lower, because during photosynthesis at the daytime the process of photosynthesis will be there, so the oxygen concentration will be low while magnesium concentration will be high, because chlorophyll is for the production of chlorophyll the magnesium is required. So option number C is the right option. I hope you understand this concept. Now MCQs number 12. The diagram shows a plant cell. Okay, this is again the plant cell. Structure A. What is the structure A? Structure A showing the cell wall. Structure B is showing cell membrane, and you can observe here this is somehow plasmolized type of cell, because cell membrane, between the cell membrane and cell wall there is space, so this is the plasmolized cell and it has less amount of water. Now structure 3. What is the structure 3? Structure 3 is the chloroplast. Structure 4 is the nucleus, and structure 5 is the vacuole. Now the question what they are asking, which feature is not found in animal cell? Okay, which feature is not found in animal cell? Chloroplast not found in animal cell, yes. Chloroplast, yes. Cell membrane found in both animal and plant cell. Nucleus, vacuole may be temporary but maybe exists, and cell wall, it's the only feature of plant cell. So option number 1 and 3, the combo of option number 1 and 3, so this option number B is the right option. Okay, because chloroplast could not be exist in animal cell, while cell wall could not be exist in animal cell, because these two features are the particular specific features of plant cell. Okay, MCQs number 13. A human cheek cell and a spongy mesophyll cells from a leaf are examined under a microscope. Which structures are seen in both cells? Okay, cell membrane, nucleus and cytoplasm. Yes, cell membrane in both cells, nucleus, cytoplasm in both cells. So option number A is the right option. Let's check other options also. Because cell wall, option number B wrong. Cytoplasm, cell wall, cell membrane due to cell wall, option number C is also wrong. Cell wall, option number C is the wrong option. D is also the wrong option. So B, C and D are the wrong option. Only option number A is the right option, because cell membrane, nucleus and cytoplasm, these three structures can be observed under microscope in both types of cell, in human cheek cell, which is the type of animal cell, and a spongy mesophyll cell, which is the type of plant cell. The diagram represents a cell as seen under the microscope. Okay, what type of cell is this? What type of cell is this? Type of animal cell, because outer layer is the cell membrane. Bacterium, because no chromosomes are visible. Plant cell, cytoplasm is visible. Plant cell, cell wall is visible. So if you observe this cell, so it could not be plant cell, because cell wall is not there and there is no presence of chloroplast. Why? It could not be bacterium cell, because you can see here that double membrane bound structures like mitochondria, nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, vacuoles are there. So it could not be bacterium cell, because proper nucleus is present there around and nuclear membrane is also there. So this is the type of animal cell, because outer layer is the cell membrane and no cell wall is there. So option number A is the right option. It could not be bacterium cell, because it is the eukaryotic type of cell. It could not be plant cell, because cell wall absent. Cell wall absent. It could not be plant cell, because no chloroplast. Chloroplast also absent. And cell wall is not visible, so it could not be plant cell. So option number A is the right option. It is a type of animal cell, because outer layer is the cell membrane and this outer layer is the cell membrane. Okay. Now comes on MCQs number 15. The diagram shows a typical plant cell after being placed in concentrated salt solution. So what will happen? The water of plant cell moves out by exoosmosis, and this is the shrinkage of the plant cell, shrinkage of the cell membrane of plant cell. Okay. Cell membrane for 10. Cell A, cell membrane, B, cell wall, cytoplasm, D, vacuole. Which number structures are partially permeable? So cell wall, this is cell wall, this is cell membrane, and this is cytoplasm. So which number structures are partially permeable? Only A, B, C. Which number? Okay, only structure 2. So 2 only. Option number D is the right option. Okay. Because cell membrane is the partially permeable structure, while cell wall is fully permeable in nature, and cytoplasm is the liquid which is present inside the cell. The diagram shows 3 different cells not drawn to the same scale, which are animal cells. Which are animal cells? So what is this? This is the root hair cell. What is this? This is the root hair cell. So it is type of plant cell. What is this? This is a sperm cell. And this is red blood cell. So sperm cells and red blood cells are the type of animal cells. Both are the type of what? Both are the type of sperm cell, and red blood cells are the type of animal cells. So option number 2, 3, option number C is the right option. Okay. When a red stain is added to a culture containing both living and dead cell, only the dead cells take up the stain. Which structure prevent the stain entering the living cell? Okay, which structure prevent the entering of stain in the living cell? Obviously cell membrane, because cell membrane is partially permeable in nature. In dead cell, cell membrane is not there and it's not functional. So that's why cell membrane is only exists in living cell in functional way. So cell membrane is the right option. Option number A. The diagram shows 2 plant cells, cell X and cell Y. What is cell X? Cell X is the root hair cell. And what is cell Y? Cell Y is the xylem vessel. So plant cell become turgid when they take up water by osmosis. In which of these cells does being turgid provide support? Okay, just recall my lecture in my previous video. I told you in that video that root hair cells are the type of living cells. Root hair cells are the type of living cells, while xylem vessels are not living cells, they are dead in structure. So they are dead in structure, so there will be no turgidity, no osmosis will be there. So only root hair cell become turgid in presence of water, and they can take up water by osmosis because cell membrane is there. So in which cell does turgid being support? In cell X, turgid being support. So option number C is the right option, because cell Y is not affected by presence or absence of water because it is not the living cell. The diagram shows a plant cell which labeled structure control the passage of substance into and out of the cell. Okay, Obviously the cell membrane. And where is the cell membrane? It is the cell membrane, so option number B is the right option. This is cell wall, this is cell membrane, this is cytoplasm, and this is vacuole. So which option is the right option? Option number B is the right option. Okay. So here we are going to end my lecture today. Like my channel to stay updated with biological lectures. Thank you.